click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android Incursion. In this video, I will talk about the Android Pie update of Galaxy A9 2018. So let's watch. So friends, the Galaxy A9 2018, which is the world's first quad camera phone launched with Android Audio out of the box, is now getting Android Pie update. The update is available in Poland and we hope in more countries soon. It is worth pointing out that Samsung does not seem to be rolling out Android Pie for these mid-range phones in more than one market at the moment, as the Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus 2018 have got the update only in Russia till now, and I hope the Galaxy A9 2018 update will be limited to Poland for some time. It is also strange that Samsung has yet to release Android Pie for the Galaxy A7 2018, which was the first A series device for which the company started developing the Android Pie update, and was also included in the Android Pie beta program. And friends, if we talk about what's new in this update, so friends, the update brings Samsung's new One UI, and all the features come in One UI update. This includes February security patch update 2. The official changelog has not been released yet. And friends, by this we hope Android Pie update for many mid-range devices soon. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.